I'm Sarah with WTI and welcome to my super tiny shower. So if you have a shower as small as mine, you know storage is extremely valuable. I'm always looking for places to put my things and there's just nowhere. That is until I found these organizing shower shelves. This two-piece corner shower caddy set from Getsrichfc, complete with a separate soap holder, is stylish and functional. And installation is hassle-free. There's no drilling required. It has included adhesive strips that support up to 60 pounds. So it is definitely strong enough to hold all of my products, get them up off the corners of my shower, and keep me well organized. It's made from stainless steel with a rust-proof coating, and these shelves are built to last. With a sleek 90-degree corner design, they fit perfectly in standard 90-degree corners. So they're not suitable for a rounded corner shower. I find them great for use inside my shower and also above my tub area. They have included storage hooks, which increases your organization possibilities. This drainage-friendly bottom design keeps water from pooling while maintaining solid stability, so less mold inside my shower. So if you're looking to organize and upgrade your bathroom with ease, I highly recommend these versatile shelves. And that is my point of view.